Hi everyone! Feels like a long time since our last talk. Today, we are going to speak about Agentforce for service. I love to speak about service in general, and I'm an AI enthusiast, so it will be a pleasure to discuss the subject today. To go through this interesting subject, we have Denise Volpe, our Cloudgaia MVP, who is also part of the Salesforce Partner Advisory Board for Latam and specifically for Agentforce. Welcome, Denise.
Hi, Tiago. Hi, all. Thank you for inviting me.
Also, we have an expert in Agentforce that has been surfing this wave since the beginning, Gabriel Brewer, our solution architect at Cloudgaia. Welcome, Gabi.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Thiago. It's a pleasure to be here.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the bell to receive alerts about our new videos. And to start this conversation, I always like to align with everyone on some common knowledge, but I think somehow we have covered it in previous sessions about Service Cloud, about Agentforce, and also about AI. So I would like to start going through use case where Agentforce can help customers and agents. And in that case, I'm saying human agents, no? So I will ask, let's start with Gabi, no? Which use case you brought to us?
Yes, one of these is the user authentication. It's a standard, it's out of the box functionality that the Salesforce agent user can identify if the user that is using talking with the agent force is really him. So agent force send an email to the user, and using the multi-factor authentication, he receives a code and send it back to the Agentforce. So the Agentforce can confirm that the user is him. So it's a good way to use on unauthenticated environments. So if you are using a site or a user experience, so the agent user can confirm that you are you, and you can have access to information that only you can access. It's a good way to uphold the security, talking about cases, for example.
Yeah, and if you are in a logged session, you don't need to use that, no? So much more for unauthenticated websites or any
Yeah.
app, no, that maybe you have and you embedded an agent there, no? So useful, no?
Yes, exactly. Because Agentforce can be used in many ways. You can use it, for example, on Slack, and have your own site or user experience with an unauthenticated, and that's a way that you can confirm that you are talking to the right person.
And a concern that maybe many people have about human escalation.
Yes, that's another standard functionality that we have. That's a way. Sometimes the agent force user, do not have the ability to resolve all the problems that the client may have. So that's an out of the box functionality too, that you can escalate it to a human user. So we use the anomaly split trigger flow. So when the agent force need to escalate this, and the client can just ask for it. Oh, I want to talk to a human. So the agent force can identify this, and he can escalate it to the user. We use a simple omni-channel trigger flow, and you can send it to a queue, to an specific user. So it's a good way to, when agent force cannot help with a specific demand, we can talk with an agent, a human agent. It's a good way to use both agent force and humans agent to help the clients, no, help everyone.
Great, Gabi. And speaking a bit about case deflection and so on, we know, for example, knowledge, it's very good in assist, in the first, let's say, first call resolution, but no, not not a call, no, in that case, but a self-service, where you can search more about a product, about a service, anything, that you can have the user engaged, in research about your products, in general. So saying about that, what maybe we can use regarding knowledge or FAQ in our internal or external, what is available?
Well, Tiago, FAQ Knowledge AI is a smart solution that uses artificial intelligence to provide a quick and accurate answers to frequently asked questions. Instead of users spending time searching through manuals, websites, or contacting support teams, they can simply ask their question in natural language and receive an instant response. This technology is commonly used in customer service and internal support or digital platforms. For example, companies integrate FAQ knowledge AI into chatbots, help centers, or even voice assistants, ensuring that users get the right information. It not only improves the customer experience, but also reduces support costs and ensure consistency in the answer given. One interesting fact is that these AI-driven systems don't remain static. They actually learn over time. The more people interact with the FAQ AI, the more accurate and complete answers become, adapting to new needs and evolving questions. In other words, the system grows smarter with every interaction.
Very good, Denise. And about case management, what Agentforce can help, to manage the cases in general?
Well, about case management with AI in Salesforce, transform the way organizations handle customer issues and requests. The traditionally case management could be slow and repetitive. Support agents needed to classify case manually, assign them to the right team, and spend valuable time searching for solution. With AI, Salesforce takes this process to the next level. Cases are automatically categorized, prioritized, and routed to the right person based on urgency, topic, or customer profile. This means customers get faster response and agents can focus on solving problems instead of doing repetitive tasks. AI also provides recommended next step by analyzing past cases, knowledge articles, and even customer sentiment. For example, if a customer is reporting a billing issue, the system can suggest the best resolution path or even offer automated replies when the solution is straightforward. An interesting fact is that AI-driven case management not only reduces resolution time, but also predicts trends. By analyzing case data, company can identify recurring issues, anticipate spikes in demand, and improve products or service proactively.
It's a lot, that you can do, but one point of complexity, certainly it's multi-language support, how can Agentforce help with that?
Well, all functionalities are connected. Multilingual support powered by AI in Salesforce allows companies to break down language barriers and serve customers all around the world in seamlessly a way. Traditionally, supporting multiple languages require hiring large teams of native speakers or translating content manually, which was expensive, slow, and often inconsistent. With AI, Salesforce can automatically detect a customer preferred language and translate interactions in real time. This applies to emails, chatbot knowledge articles, and even case management. For example, if a customer in Japan submits a case in Japanese, the system can instantly translate into English for the support agent and then translate the agent's response back into Japanese. This doesn't just save time. It also ensures a more personal and inclusive experience since customers feel understood in their own language. An interesting fact is that multilingual AI doesn't just translate word for word. It learns context and tone. That means the system adapts to industry-specific terminology, company style, and even cultural norms, improving accuracy over time.
And this is also good by the companies that interact with many different countries. No, internally, sometimes they have a team in Brazil, a team in Europe, no, that maybe speak Spanish or Germany or French, and then you are no longer working anymore in silos, or you need to have everyone working just one language, you know. So it also can improve this kind of exchange, you know.
Yes, in short, multilingual support with AI makes global service possible. Reduce the cost, speed ups response time, and most importantly, build stronger relationships by speaking the customer language.
Good. What you may not know is that all those use cases are detailed in an article written by us. No, I will leave the link in the video's description, but we will also create demo videos for each feature, each use case that we just spoke here. We're gonna have a video that we're gonna release in our YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe there and activate the bell to receive the alerts about these videos and many others related to Agentforce and the Salesforce ecosystem. But except for that, what other use cases that are not in the article do you see it is interesting to share here as well? So maybe let's start with Denise.
Yes, Thiago, I can share with you other examples. For example, create cases from customer interactions across channels, filling in key details like priority and issue type. Also, we provide the case summary, generates concise overviews of the case history, past actions, and suggested next step for the agent. And also is related to this action, the possibility to send meeting requests related to the draft email. I don't know if Gabi, there are any opinion or any comment related to this?
Yeah, I think it's something interesting to say. It's in the article we are talking about the frequent asked question that Denise told here, and we are using files. So we can use just update the file and do this and store this on Data Cloud, and the Agentforce is based on that to answer this question. But we have another way to do this. It's using the standard functionality from Salesforce, the knowledge. So if you already have knowledge articles in your Salesforce org, you can use that. So it's another way to ask the frequent asked question, for example. And you don't need to create an article and update this. You can use what you already have. It's a good way to work with this and just continue your experience in Salesforce.
Great, Denise, Gabi, thank you very much. You are partners of the channel and are invited to come back whenever you want, no? And bring new subjects here to discuss about Agentforce, about any other Salesforce feature. I will leave our links, no, to from LinkedIn, so you can add us there, and also add Cloudgaia. No, it's at Cloudgaia on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, all social media. And don't forget, no, to subscribe there in the YouTube so you can receive the alerts about those videos that we're gonna prepare for you, those demos and other as well. Again, thank you very much, Denise. Thank you very much, Gabi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.